Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Coding with Salo. Today we're gonna connect to MercadoPago. So if you don't know, MercadoPago is a pretty popular application that is used in Latin America to create payments similar to PayPal, Stripe, etc. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is create a developer app, an integration. So basically we go to create application or application, and sometimes it will ask us for two-factor authentication using the app. So I'm confirming with my mobile phone, and we can create our app. So let's call it coding with Auto and online. But for now, we're gonna use checkout API, authorize, another robot, cars, verify, create application. Yeah, sometimes it happens. You have to try again. Same thing. Create application, coding with Auto, online payment, no e-commerce, checkout API, authorize, another robot, stairs. Let's do a full refresh here. Just once more. Coding, online payment, no. Checkout API, authorized, no robots, stairs, and application created. Yeah, so this is, you are in for a ride here. So once the application is created, we have to check the ID. So the number ID is the 850. So we're gonna go to credentials. So it's /settings/account/credentials. I'm gonna refresh here. And in here we're gonna go to the 850 Flower 8 app. We're gonna go to credentials, test credentials or sandbox, and you can see here my access token. So let's get started with coding. So we're gonna do npm init y. Let's install .env for our access token, and let's install the wrapper Pago. Okay, so let's create our .env file. Access token equals to that. Let's create our index.js file. And let's do here require .env.config. Let's do const MercadoPago config. Pago config and preference from the MercadoPago integration. Okay, now let's create our client. Const client equals to MercadoPago config. It's a class, so it's gonna be MercadoPago config, where we're gonna send the access token, which will be the process.access token. And also let's send an option for a timeout of 5,000. Okay. Once we have that, we need to create the preference option. So const preference and equals to new preference with the client. And now we can create our async function to create payment link. Title, amount, quantity. So basically the product title, the amount of the quantity. Let's do a try catch. Okay, and in the try, let's do preference dot create body, and in the body we're gonna send the items. In this case, we're gonna send just one item. Okay, that is gonna be with the ID. Any ID that we wanna send, yeah, let's send that to Alberto as well. Okay, so that's gonna be the literal ID, the title, the quantity, and the unit price is the amount. Okay. preference like that, and let's do cost payment request equals to an await of that, and let's do a return payment request dot body, I think it is the body dot init the sandbox init. Well, actually, let's do this and see what's the response here. So async cost payment link equals to an await create payment link. Let's do like ID. It's gonna be like a 1 2 3 4. The title is gonna be tutorial. The amount will be like 100 and the quantity will be like 3. Okay, console log payment link. Let's do that and let's see what's going on there. Now in Node.js. Oh, we forgot to call this variable function. Okay, let's remove this body because maybe I think it's data or response to data. Okay, let's see this. So this is the data. That's perfect. Oh, we already have the edit point here, which is this the URL that we're gonna redirect. But we're gonna use the sandbox. So let's just send the dot sandbox edit point. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do? Let's copy this thing. Let's go to our browser and let's check out. Oh yeah, you cannot pay yourself. Okay, so let's open it from a guest sandbox. And here you can see how you can create some payments. Let's do the new credit card. There's something here we need to do is okay, so you can see here products is 300 because remember that we did like 3 of 100. And let me grab the test cards. So in order to test here, you can go to MercadoPago and check the cards, but basically I have one here, and let's do 5031 7557 34 53 0604. The code is 123 and the date is 11/25, and we can put here like coding with Alo. Continue. You can do codes, everything perfect. Test.com pay, and that's it. And that's how you create your own payment link using code. So yeah, if you want to add some callbacks and everything, you can always add on the code a callback URL. So you go to that URL and check that the payment is received, and then you can access to other stuff. But for now, simple integration, just create a payment. This is how you do it. If you have any comments, just let me know. If you need help with any other APIs, ping me. And yeah, subscribe, like, see you on the next episode. Bye bye.